and I'm playing something special for you guys. I'm scared right now. I'm playing Amplified Survival, if you didn't know. And I'm lagging like a little piece of poop. Normally it's fine, but when you're recording, it's just like, nope. Oh. See? It's too hard. Oh shit, no. This is too hard. Too hard. Too hard. Too hard. Too hard. I give up. I'm leaving. Bye. Bye. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Hey guys, welcome back to 1.7 Survival. And I wasn't like playing Amplified Survival. I don't copy people. I don't. Don't make fun of me. You're racist. Okay. Let's be playing. FX has to. Oh no, I can't say that. Cut. Okay. Let's go. And I know you guys can hear that, like, really annoying stuff in the background, but I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Okay, so they don't want to shut up. How do you make these freaking things? I think it's like that. Yeah, it is. Shit, someone got mad. Okay, so, I actually, like, recorded for, like, 30 minutes. Then my computer ran out of space. So I can only be recording for, like, 15 minutes. And, I'm playing the newest Snapshot. And there's a super secret settings that has, like, shaders and stuff. But I don't want to do that. Because I was actually fiddling with that. And then it took me to, like, some weird stuff that I didn't want to see. And I was scared. And, yeah. Oh, I found them coal, too, for some reason. I hear lava. There it is. Perfect. And they have a new sprint feature. It's weird. I have it set to X because I'm left-handed. And I like poop. There's coal. Shit. They be playing with the baby. So... Oh yeah, I'm making a new mod. It's called the rocket ship mod. There's gonna be a rocket ship in it, and there's gonna add, like, new features to Minecraft. Because I'm so awesome like that. And you can't take... Iron! You can't tame me. I'm too boss for you. And I'm only gonna put it out if this channel gets 1,000 views. I'm only gonna put it out. That's how I'm gonna put it out. If it doesn't, screw you guys. I don't love you. Oh shit, lag. Look. At least I got my iron, freaking iron. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make these videos like 10 minutes long, but upload like one of them each day. That seems nice. And don't be mad at me. Be like, oh, you're supposed to be uploading 2 videos a day anyways. Well, no, I have a sucky computer. I think you've all been through that. I don't even know how I'm playing right now. The computer was just like, yo, I'm gonna let you play now. So, yeah. And up the potato sauce. I hear zombies probably in my house. And I'm gonna kill them with my face. And I was gonna turn on ultra hardcore survival, but it didn't want to let me. I don't know what setting it is. So it told me what setting it is. And I'm gonna smelt this iron. But did I seriously do that? Oh man. I guess I can't smelt this iron. Some sticks. Make a sword for Grandpa. Make 4 swords. I mean, seriously, I made 10 buttons. Like, that's gonna be useful. So useful. Make a sword for Grandpa. For Grandpa. Does this work? No, it doesn't work. I didn't think it would work. How do you... Do you need wood? I forgot how to make this. Will the big cheese ever find out how to make wood? Probably not. No. Fine, I'll smelt it with my freaking coal. I'm gonna be a dick about it. Pop 80 in that bitch. Oh, and here's the new feature that I found really interesting. Go to your controls, and there's a new sprint button. Mine's is X, and you could just be sprinting like a bus. Like, whee! 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 I think that's like the best feature ever that they've added in this update. Except for the new biome, the Mesa biome. Like that one was like so cool. Like, so cool. Stupid spider, come back. Fight me like a man. Whoa! Whoa! I'm lagging. Okay. Oh, nope. Do that shit. Gonna have to eat this freaking butterfly. I need Alonzo with me. I'm like so bored right now. Like, okay. My sister decided to just like be a butt and march inside the room and take a poop. So no, not take a poop. Be a butt. And now I have to be outside where all these loud cars be at. And they be annoying. They be like, oh, I'm a dickhead. Looks like things are coming up for us. Looks like things be coming up for us. Stop it! Gosh, I never loved you. There we go. Turned up. Wait. Am I recording my voice? Just watch a creeper come up and be like, nope, I want to be a butt. Open, stupid traps. Yes, I am. I'd be proud now. Because last time when I tried recording, I couldn't record my voice. Because I didn't even know that I wasn't recording my voice. And then I was like, oh, there we go, I fixed it. But I didn't stop recording. and if you don't stop recording using Fraps, and you like move a setting on it, it doesn't matter until next time you start recording. So I wasn't recording my voice that entire episode. This is a huge tree. Shit. Leg. Look. Leg is such a poop sometimes. Such a freaking poop. I need food. I should make a bed. Oh man, I used all my stuff to make that stupid chest. Even though it's sexy. You know what? I'm just gonna kill these sheep. I don't care if this place gets extinct. Fuck you, sheep. Fuck you, I never loved you. I want a wolf. That'd be like the best thing. Stupid loud noise! Where'd that sheep go? Oh, there's 2 sheep. Oh, I remember painting that sheep. Come back here. No. I'm not gonna let you drown. Not gonna let you drown. Not gonna. Where is that piece of... Oh, I think it's right there. I can't see for shit. Man, I lost it. Guess I lost it forever. Get. Yes, I got it. Go up. Wait, there's XP there. Go towards me, XP. At least I'll die and try. Oh no, I didn't. So now I have 2 of 3, freaking stuff. Ooh, that wind blowing my face. What do you lure a sheep with? I think it's with seeds. Or is it hay? I'll just get both. How about... Oh, I don't have hay yet. If this doesn't work, then we're really screwed. Sheep. I think this attracts chicken, not sheep. Don't be making fun of me. Come here. I just want to rape you. Stop going underwater. It smells like Mexico now. What? Yes. Sheep. Oh, I'm gonna die. No. Game mode. See. No, I died. This is unfortunate. What the? I'm getting all my stuff. Don't even think about it. Don't even. Looks super speed. Go up. Am I even going in the right way? Maximum power! Oh, lag. Shit. Man, this sucks. Oh, it was this way, wasn't it? Yep, it was this way. I remember. I think. Oh yeah, I see it. Doggy! Oh, doggy! Oh, look at my dog. No, look at me, doggy. Doggy! Doggy, get off of me. No, doggy. Doggy. Bad doggy. Bad doggy. Is that my stuff? I can't see. Can I turn up my brightness in my computer? High performance? More power options? More power options? More doggy, oh, you're so cute. Oh, doggy, he's so cute. Oh, the cutest doggy in the world, huh? He's licking me for some reason. Stop it, doggy. I'm gonna rape you. I guess I'll just give myself back to me. If I can't find it. Is that it? Is that it? This is it, yes. Go up. Nope. More stuff. Yes. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's start here from the beginning, like the top around. We're gonna die. So I guess it'll be the last episode. Not the last episode. There's gonna be more.